Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Yes. Do you have favorite thing? Yes, you do have, right? Like favorite dress, favorite pet, everyone has. Yeah, today also we are going to learn about a girl whose name is Manu, right? And she has a favorite thing. Yeah, that is a scarf. So we are going to learn about Manu's scarf. The name of the lesson is Manu's scarf. Do you want to know about the Manu's scarf? Yes, I too want to know. Yes. So for that, what do you have to do? Yeah, all of you take out your textbook and turn to page number 5. Right? Yes. So I'll be reading out the lesson. You have to listen carefully. Alright. Page number 5. Manu's scarf. Manu's scarf. Tomorrow is Manu's birthday. She is trying on a new dress and red scarf. Manu has many scarves, but this is her favorite. Once again, tomorrow is Manu's birthday. She is trying on a new dress and red scarf. Manu has many scarves, but this is her favorite. See? Yeah, so the girl name is Manu, right? And tomorrow her birthday. And she's trying, so we all know how excitement will be when our birthday comes, right? We wear new dress, we'll try lot of dress on. So the same way, yeah, Manu is also, yeah, trying new dress and also the scarf, the red scarf. What's the color of the scarf? Red. Manu has many scarves, but this is her favorite. So she has so many scarves. Do you all know what is scarf? Yeah, scarf is the one that we tie around our neck and all, right? Yes. So, scarf. For one, we just say scarf. For more than one, we say scarves. Right? So, she has so many scarves. Among them, red is the favorite one. So, her favorite scarf is red one. Right? So, I'll be reading out the paragraph once again. Tomorrow is Manu's birthday. She is trying on a new dress and red scarf. Manu has many scarves, but this is her favorite. Right. So what is spelling of scarf? S-C-A-R-F. Right. S-C-A-R-F. Scarf. Right. Okay, the next paragraph. Suddenly she hears her mother's call. Go and play in the garden for some time. Right. Okay, now, yeah, her mother called. Hey, Manu, just go out. Go in the garden and play. Right. See, go and play in the garden for some time. See, for us also, to us also, our parents say, right, our mothers, you just go out and play for some time. Just go out and play for some time. The same way, Manu's mother said to her, you just go out in the garden and play for some time. Suddenly, she hears her mother's call. Go and play in the garden for some time. The next paragraph. Manu changes her dress but leaves the scarf on. It is windy, she says to herself. I must tie the scarf. Okay, so the mother said, just go out and play. Yeah, see, as mother said, what she did, she changes her dress. Actually, tomorrow is her birthday. She was trying new dress on her. But now she is going to play, right? So she has to wear only the rough dress. So now she changes the dress and yeah, she put this scarf on. She put this scarf and she went out. So she said, it's windy. I must tie this scarf. So if it is windy, what happens? Our dress and all moves, right? So yeah, she ties the scarf. See, look at the picture. Yes. So I'll be reading out the paragraph once again. Manu changes her dress but leaves the scarf on. It is windy, she says to herself. I must tie the scarf. The next paragraph. Manu is in the garden. She is enjoying herself. She does not notice that her favorite scarf is slipping away. It is falling down. Now it is laying on the ground. See? Manu is in the garden now. She is playing, right? So she was enjoying, playing and enjoying, right? She's enjoying herself. But she does not notice her scarf is slipping away. See? She already said herself that we know now it is too windy, right? So as I said to you, if it is windy, our dress and all moves. So she was tying the scarf around the neck. So as it is windy, yeah, it started to slip. It started to fall off. So she is not noticing it. She didn't bother about it. She was that much into playing. She was playing and enjoying, right? And after some time, what happened? It is falling down. It just fell down. It fell down. And now it is laying on the ground. She didn't know. See, it is already on the ground. It fell on the ground. She didn't know that. She didn't notice it. See, just imagine, it's her favorite scarf, right? Yeah, it fell on the ground. She didn't know because she was playing and enjoying. She didn't notice, right? She didn't notice. What is spelling of notice? N-O-T-I-C-E. Notice. Right. See, I'll be reading out the paragraph once again. Manu is in the garden. She is enjoying herself. She does not notice that her favorite scarf is slipping away. It is falling down. Now it is laying on the ground. What's the spelling of slipping? Slipping. S-L-I-P-P-I-N-G. S-L-I-P-P-I-N-G. Slipping. Right. And what is spelling of ground? G-R-O-U-N-D. Ground. Right. Now let's move on to next paragraph. Yes. Soon a strong wind blows the scarf away. It is now laying on the pavement. People are walking over it. Manu's favorite scarf is becoming dirty. Suddenly dark clouds cover the sky. Manu runs into her house. It starts raining. The rain washes Manu's scarf. It becomes clean, but it is still wet. Now what happened? Soon a strong wind blows. The wind is so heavier, so strong. Wind is so strong now. What happened? Yeah, see, when wind comes, the scarf and it's a light thing, right? So the scarf also moved along with the wind. Now it is laying on the pavement. What is the spelling of pavement? P-A-V-E-M-E-N-T. P-A-V-E-M-E-N-T. Pavement. So people are walking over it. See, people started to walk over it. So what happened? See, poor Manu, right? It's her favorite thing. She didn't notice that it's gone from her. People are walking over it. People are walking over it. And Manu's favorite scarf is becoming dirty. See, if things are falling down and it is on the floor, people walk over it and what happens? It becomes dirty, right? Yeah, the same way Manu's scarf also became so dirty. See, after some time, dark clouds, you know, right? Before rain, what happens in the sky? Dark clouds comes. Dark cloud. Blacky, dark clouds. Now, dark clouds cover the sky. Manu runs into her house. Manu understood it's going to rain, so she better hurry. Yeah, so now she runs into her house. She went to her house and it starts raining now. It starts raining now. The rain washes Manu's scarf. See, though, now the Manu's scarf was dirty, right? So as it was raining, the rain washes Manu's scarf. It becomes clean. Though it becomes clean, but is still wet. So, see, I'll be reading out the paragraphs once again. Listen carefully. Tomorrow is Manu's birthday. She is trying on her new dress and red scarf. Manu has many scarves, but this is her favorite. Suddenly she hears her mother's call. Go and play in the garden for sometime. Manu changes her dress but leaves the scarf on. It is windy. She says to herself, I must tie the scarf. Manu is in the garden. She is enjoying herself. She does not notice that her favorite scarf is slipping away. It is falling down. Now it is laying on the ground. Soon a strong wind blows the scarf away. It is now laying on the pavement. People are walking over it. Manu's favorite scarf is becoming dirty. Suddenly dark clouds cover the sky. Manu runs into her house. It starts raining. The rain washes Manu's scarf. It becomes clean but is still wet. Right? Yeah, so tomorrow is Manu's birthday. She's trying new dress. Yes, mother said she went out to play in the garden tying her favorite scarf, the red one, right? So as she was enjoying and playing, the scarf slipped down. It is on the floor. As wind blows it, flew and went to pavement. People walk over it and became so dirty. After some time, rain came. Right, so the Manu went into her house and the scarf became wet. Though it is clean, it is wet. Right, so let's see what happened to the scarf in the next class. Right, so a small activity for you. You have to read the lesson 3 times, the page number 5. 3 times. Alright. Okay, so read well, go through the new words and learn the spelling of it. Alright. So happy learning, children. Thank you.